Liam, this trophy is amazing. You played so well today, and I am very proud of you.
I made this cake for you, Liam. You worked very hard, and today is special.
You are very strong, Liam. Keep training every day and never stop trying.
I hope Dad does not see this. He only wants football today, not my drawings. Mom, look at my medal! And I scored the last goal, and we won the game!
In life, strong people win. You must fight hard and stay number one.
Alex, why are you so quiet? Everyone is happy today, but not you.
Dad, I made these for you, Ken. Can you please look at my drawings?
Not now, Alex. Liam played very well today. We are talking about football.
You read books all day, Alex? Liam plays outside and grows stronger every day.
I love drawing so much, but I think Dad does not like my art.
Alex, sports are better for you. You should be strong, like Liam.
Alex looks very sad today. I want to help him, but football is hard for him.
Listen, everyone. Alex starts football tomorrow. We will make him strong, like Liam.
My hands feel so scared. I do not want football. I only want to draw. This field feels so big. Everyone is watching me. I want to go home.
Work harder today, Alex. Watch Liam carefully and run much faster now.
Come on, Yer. Try to catch me, bae. Playing together is really fun.
Oh no! I fell again. My legs feel weak. And I want to cry.
Look at Alex falling down. He runs so slowly and cannot play football. Ha ha ha!
Alex, why do you keep falling? Liam can run much better than you.
Do not listen to them, Alex. I will help you, so we can finish together.
Thanks for helping, Liam. But running feels wrong for someone like me. My room feels peaceful. Here I can draw freely and be myself again. I want Dad to see this, so he knows. I really love him. Hey, Alex. Your light is still on. What are you doing in here?
Wow, Alex. These drawings look amazing, Innard. I wish I could draw like this.
I think Dad will understand when he sees how hard you worked. I will hide this here until Dad's birthday tomorrow. It will surprise him.
I am excited for today. The house looks beautiful with all these decorations.
These flowers look so pretty. I want everything perfect before the guests arrive.
What are these papers doing behind the sofa? On this special day? These drawings look colorful, but they take too much space in this house. Alex should practice football outside, not stay here inside, drawing little pictures.
Dad, why do you have my drawings? What are you doing with them?
Alex, why waste your time here instead of training for sports?
Dad, please understand me. Drawing makes me happy and feels special to me.
Drawing pictures is not enough. It will not help you build a strong future.
They keep fighting again, and I just want this family to feel happy together.
Alex, these papers distract you. You must focus on football training now.
I want you successful, Alex. These drawings will never help your future life.
You never understand me. These drawings are my heart and my whole world. I cannot stay here anymore. You hate what I love, and it hurts deeply.
Alex looks very hurt. Dad threw away his art, and now he ran outside.
The rain feels very cold, but I still hold a grudge about those paintings.
Look at this paper here. It looks very special and maybe important too. Dad, please look at this. Alex made this picture, especially for you.
Alex worked very hard making this picture for me. I did not know. He called me his hero and his best friend, and I feel so ashamed now. I threw his art away, but Alex made this as my birthday gift. What have I done today? I should have seen how much Alex loves me.
My poor little boy is outside alone tonight, and I feel so scared.
Liam, put your shoes on now. We must find Alex quickly.
Stay close to me, Liam. We will search everywhere until Alex comes home.
Alex, can you hear me, son? Please come out. I want to help you.
Alex, where are you? Please come home with us. We are very sorry.
The rain feels so cold, and I hope Alex found somewhere safe and warm tonight.
Look over there, Liam. Maybe Alex is hiding. Inside that art gallery.
I only wanted some peace. It feels very cold here, and I feel alone.
Alex, I've searched everywhere for you. Please don't run away anymore.
I'm very sorry, Alex, for discarding your work. That was very wrong of me. You are my son, Alex, and I love you more than sports or trophies.
I'm so happy, Alex. We finally found you. Let's go home together.
Your drawings are beautiful, Alex. That picture of us made me very proud.
Do you really mean that, Dad? I only wanted to make you happy.
Yes, Alex. I promise you now, I will never throw away your art. You are safe at home now. Sit close to the fire and get warm again.
I made hot chocolate for everyone tonight so we can feel warm.
Your art belongs here, Alex, beside our trophies, because your talent matters too.
Liam, I'm drawing you because you're very good at playing soccer.
This family feels happy again because love and understanding matter the most.
Every child is special, and every dream matters in its own way.